discover how quartz rod, crafted from premium industrial glass, combines stunning optical properties with unparalleled electrical insulation, perfect for demanding applications. Its high resistance and clarity make it an essential component in optics, electronics, and more. Quartz rod boasts a remarkable softening point of each sanding, C, allowing it to withstand extreme temperatures for long periods. Its high-temperature resistance ensures reliable performance even in the toughest environments. Explore its versatility in manufacturing, research, and beyond.